Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of identity verification and document upload on the Daxbase broker together. We enter the trading cabin inside the Daxbase broker, select the profile, settings, and click on the verification option. In this section we select start verification and after entering the date of birth, and you click on the continue option. In this section, you select the type of documents you intend to upload and click on the Continue option. In the third step, you must upload a photo of the front and back of your identification document in a way that all four corners are visible and of high quality from your mobile phone. After uploading the photo of your identification document, you click on the Continue option. In the final step, you simply need to take a selfie with your identification document in hand next to your face and upload it here. The documents you uploaded have been successfully submitted to the Daxbase broker and are currently under review by the broker. After 1 hour, the documents you submitted were accepted by the broker and your account verification on the Daxbase broker was successfully completed. In future videos, we will go step by step on how to deposit and withdraw in this broker. Good luck.